Capacitors were primarily used for gaining an early understanding of electricity. Today, they are small and compact devices that can be found in many electronics, including laptops, cell phones, televisions, and even household appliances such as washing machines and refrigerators. Capacitors are measured in capacitance, the ability of an object to store electrical charges. The standard unit of capacitance is farad or F, named after the physicist Michael Faraday. Capacitors usually consist of two conductive plates, or metal, separated by an insulating material called dielectric. It is very easy to make with the given materials, and today we'll show you how to make a homemade capacitor.
Firstly, we will make the separator or dielectric by using any isolating material. Here, we will use a 6x6 inch paper, but any size is doable. We need 2 pieces of paper so we can layer it on a conductive material.
Next, we'll make 2 pieces of aluminum foil, same size as the paper, but we have to make it a bit smaller so that aluminum foil won't contact when they are layered. This is because capacitors work by separating positive and negative electrical charges. Think of it like 2 plates, one positively charged and the other negatively charged. They are held closely together but not touching. If the aluminum foil touched even slightly, this will cause short circuit, preventing it from storing charges and making the capacitor useless. Next, we'll stick the paper and the aluminum foil together using glue. The 2 pieces of aluminum foil and the paper will be sandwiched each other. Glue is applied between each layer to keep everything in place. The key to the capacitor's function lies in the electric field. When the voltage is applied across the capacitor, it creates an electric field between the 2 aluminum foils. This electric field forces the positive and negative charges to accumulate on opposite plates, effectively storing energy.
Now, we attach a short piece of wire at both ends of the capacitor using our tape. These wires will allow us to connect the capacitor to outside power source.
When finished, we will glue another paper to cover and protect the side of the aluminum foil that has the wirings.
Finally, we can roll the entire assembly into cylindrical shape and tape it using electrical tape to make a more compact design. And there you have it, our very own homemade capacitor.
Okay guys, so titignan natin kung gumagana yung capacitor natin. Iyon lang natin yung multi-tester. set off lang natin yung volt. Sa volt lang yan yung sign niya. Tapos itest lang natin at the both ends of their wires kung gumagana talaga. So let's see. Ayun, oh, gumagana. Tumataas yung voltage niya. So that means it has the ability to store energy. It has a high capacitance. And that's it. Gumagana. Thank you for watching.